Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Adobe Illustrator CC class number 4. In this class, we will going to learn type tool. How to use type tool. Today, I clear about all topics of type tool. So you see my window is a various option have a type tool. So I don't talk here. Let's move on. So my dear friends, you see this is my Illustrator window, and today I'm talking about just type tool. So type tool just help you text any type, you text anywhere, you text just you including text anything. So if you hold on this icon, then you got several options. So first option is type tool, just this normally text on your page, on your design, and this is the area type tool. First you need to create a area. It's based on your work. Then you can text in this area. You can put your text in this area, which area you create before, and this on type on a path. First you need to create a path, and then you include a text on your path. And the next is vertical type tool. Okay, it's just type vertically. And the next is vertical area type tool. So area type tool and vertical type tool is similar. Just the area type tool, they have an area. Under you can include any text. And the vertical type on a path. First, you have to create a path, and then you include a text on the path. And this is the touch type tool. It's actually a very interesting tool. When you're typing in the line, then you cut out from a line any text, any particularly was each word. Each word you can move anywhere. You can select that, and you can increase and you can decrease anything. You can do it. This touch tool. So I think you got introduced this tool. Now we're going to apply reality. So first I share with you, this is the type tool. It's a very easy, the Unicoder demi. Okay, so you see, just you can type anything this from this tool. Okay, and now we're going to learn a area type tool. So first we need to create an area. So which tool used by create an area? Yes, you can use by this tool. This is the pen tool. Okay. Now let's see. First I create an area. So how to use this tool I share with you previous tutorial. Okay, now I want to include a text in this area. So now I select this area type tool and click on this. I need to copy some text from any website. Took it and I paste on this. Okay, look, this area type tool, it's just doing like this. Okay, I think you got it. And the next is type on a path. First we need create a path which I want to give a text. Okay, so I select this tool and I create this path. Okay, that's great. Now I want to include a text by type tool. Okay, so now let's select this one and select one, and I have a copied text. Just I paste this line. Okay, look, it's a magic. This text include on our path. Okay, now we are going to see the next tool, which is vertical type tool. Okay, Oh, before I need take a path. Okay. After I select this vertical tool and select on this. Okay, and paste a text. Look, I need to clear this text. Okay, this is a vertical. Okay, and this is a horizontal. Okay, that's great. The next tool is vertical area type tool. Okay, so this is also just it's a horizontal and this is a vertically. Okay, now let's see. First we need to take a shape. Okay, and then we are select this vertical area and click on this. Okay, and paste. Look, this is the same. And the next is vertical type on path. Okay, now let's see vertical type path on. First we need to create a path. Okay, and select this option and select, click on this and the paste. Okay, look, this is a vertical type on path. Okay, and the next is touch type. I select this option, I click on this, the text is select. Okay, now this text I can it's increase or decrease. Okay, I can this text is increase or decrease, or if I want this text is out of the line, then I can do it also. Okay, okay, if you want to deleter, you want to remove from this line, then just select a D and just drag. The D is out of the line. Okay, if you want to X, just drag. The X is out of the line. Okay, and you can increase or decrease this text from any line. Okay, so I think you got it, the all tools. If you have any question about these tools or any kind of tools, definitely you comment me and definitely you question me. I will always stay wake up for reply to your question, and I try to make another video for you on based on your comment. I will bring up here any kind of new video and I talking about new topics. So till then, have a good day.